So let's take the case of Lisa. We have this indifference curve here, and we have 2 points as well. And we want to calculate the marginal rate of substitution for point C. Yeah? So let's draw a line which is tangent to point C, and then let's calculate what the marginal rate of substitution is. So at point C, to get 5 movies, how many drinks is she giving up? 10. Yeah. So for 5 movies, she gives up 10. This is pop, this is movies. So for 1 movie, because we're looking at marginal rate of substitution, how many drinks does she have to give up? 2. So the marginal rate of substitution at this point is 2. At point G, well, let's draw a line that is tangent. Tangent means it's just touching the point G. And what is the marginal rate of substitution in that case? Well, it is 4.5 she gives up for 9 units. Yeah. Calculating that, you would get half, and that is the marginal rate of substitution. So what can you say about how MRS, marginal rate of substitution, changes? Well, as you move down this graph and you're consuming more of movies, what happens to marginal rate of substitution? It decreases. All right, guys, that's all for today.